There you are, LaRue. Hanging out with Claire's carving again, eh? You sure love that one. As do I. We need a special song, little buddy. For Perry and his family, please.
People say, hey, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z workshop, where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z workshop. The carving wizard, brought to you by two brothers, one vision.
Why, hello, friends and family. Welcome back to the workshop, and thank you, LaRue, for that very cool intro tune. He made that one just for Perry and his family. Now, guys, we haven't done a Karma Carves in a while, and we couldn't find a more deserving person, so this Karma Carves is all dedicated to Perry, the carving wizard, and his family. I kind of got going and doing what we do here, and getting into the blung, trying to get back into the blung, guys. And I just got on a roll, and I wanted to include everybody, but you'll hear about this. But when Karma Carves is just kind of like when you in our tribe, in our community. Lots of us just exchange gifts and stuff, and it's around kind of sticker swapping, right? But many times we use those opportunities to maybe slip in a little gift here or there. Wowie loves doing it. I often say to folks that giving is my most grand drug. I love it. I love it. So, Perry, the carving wizard, a much loved member of the tribe. He's a great carver, and he's just improving. Every carving he does is an improvement from the last, and he's just going up and up and up. And he's a part of the Kindred Spirits woodcarvers, which we just so happen to have right here, guys. One of the very, very first run of them. And yeah, Perry's just become a really good brother of mine. We talk a lot. He's helping me with some pewter stuff. The pewters, we don't like the pewters. And so Perry's been nice enough to kind of take me under his wing like a little brother, and looking out for the old dog that can't learn any new tricks. Well, I'm getting there, but it's taken me a while. Now, guys, as I'm talking, I'm going to be putting in pictures. I've already started. It's already begun of Perry's work, because this is where I get to feature. When we do tribe mail, but Karma Carves is also another time where we feature our tribe members, and I just love doing it. This is very, very important to Wowie and Two Brothers One Vision, okay? Because every one of you guys deserve it, and it's just a way to give back, and I just love featuring. Okay, so now we got that covered. What do we got here? Well, right off, we have a little tiny, for the carving wizard, we got a little baby wizard. Look at that little guy, eh? It's a little Nomi made by my sister-in-law, Colleen. And she makes them. Isn't it funny where it starts from? And then it goes out from there. Woo! Look at that little guy. And look at this, Perry. Well, this little bowl goes with the gnome that my wife made. And then this is a special edition one. This little Nomi has a pet snail. Hello! Also done by Colleen, who's just been chilling in that bowl. But yeah, this is for your family, little protectors, right? And I guess the kids can fight over them, Perry, or or Perry can call them as his own. That's up to Perry. Now I mentioned the stickers. Yeah, we got the Kindred Spirits, and we got one of the Two Brothers One Vision, Be a Lighthouse, and I'm just going to constantly change the Be a Lighthouse stickers out. So it's kind of be a cool thing to be able to, for people to collect the different ones. And then, excuse me, the Two Brothers One Vision logo, and of course, the Carve Infusion, Jordy Johnson Wood Spirit. That's crazy, awesome, reflective one. I only got a few of them left too. But Perry, there was, I had to think about who would get one of the Kindred Spirits first run, and you were one of the people that I just knew had to get one pair. So that's coming your way. Next, what do I got here? It's the Blung. And if you guys don't know, if this is your first time watching, Blung is kind of it's the opposite of bling. Our Blung is made with keys, antique tokens, trinkets, the like. And to start, this is Perry's Blung. Now, I did Perry's. He's got the main key there in the middle, and then he's got the little wizard. Perry's a carving wizard, so he's got this antique glass ball. That's for the wizard ball. Okay, are you guys getting that? Is it good enough light? Jeez. Okay, and then also with Perry's, he's got the arrowhead, and that's the symbol. That's the mark of a warrior. Okay, now Perry is a vet, and he's seen a lot in this world, and we're going to talk more about that. But I have much respect, and I salute Perry for his selflessness as a soldier. And I hope, and may this Blung protect you, sir. Next, I made it for Mrs. Perry. I know I found out that she's a creator as well, and she knits. I don't know if it's crochets or knits, but this little sewing machine represents those mediums. Okay, and then also she got a flat heart key. Now these are very, very rare. But I used flat keys throughout for all of these blung pieces. Now also there's a little tiny shell there to represent the Black Sea for where she grew up, and a little tiny heart that says handmade with love, because each piece of blung is exactly that. So that's a custom piece made just for her, Perry. And it's the heart. The heart is from you. It's not from me. This heart key represents your love. Now, for the for the younglings, Perry. I don't know how I think the oldest boy is the oldest, so I'm gonna start with ladies first, the oldest daughter. You gotta be ladies first, guys. So the oldest daughter, I know that she is a major Taylor Swift fan, like so many people out here. And, just that kind of free spirit and stuff. So she got, I stamped each child's, I hope this freaking light is okay. Just one second. I stamped each one with a heart stamp. So it's to represent the parents, the love of you parents. And so she's got a little guitar, a little guitar charm, a little feather, and a handmade with love, and the stamped heart key. And then the keys, the little flat keys I chose also kind of went down. They graduated downwards in size from the oldest to the youngest. Now this is for your oldest boy. We got a sterling silver football charm, the stamped key with your parents' love, and then he also got an arrowhead, mark of a warrior, okay, to go with his dad. And I'm sure that they share the same spirit, as you do with all your children. Now, I believe it goes to next is your son in age. And I know this one goes for the creator. He's the builder, okay? Now that, for him, I used the puzzle key, the stamped flat key with the parents' love, and I also included a sand dollar. Now, I'm an artist out here on the West Coast, and as a creator, I wish him nothing but the best. Like, I know he likes to play with Minecraft and build things, and you know, he's an artist at heart. So that's why he got the puzzle piece as the builder and the creator. And then the sand dollar is for luck as an artist and all of the creations that come. That's from one artist to another. I send him the very special luck token. And now for the weeest of the little pack. She's got her stamped little key there with the heart. And then also she has a little flower pendant. And because I know she loves sunflowers and she just loves nature. And also a little paw with the handmade with love. Because she also loves animals. And that's her gentle little soul. Okay? So I included all of them. And Perry gave me a couple little hints on stuff that they liked and stuff. And I hope you guys like that. Because our blung is all of our art. Doing this is a way that we convey our feelings, okay? So next is this. Now, Perry, before I get too far here, I want to read Perry's backstory. Well, 1, 2, 3. And I'll show some more pictures quickly because I want his story to be known too. My wood carving journey began on fishing trips with my dad, where I'd whittle spears with my pocket knife. Years later, a school project reignited this childhood passion when I crafted a Native American digging stick. Although a subsequent attempt at carving a boat didn't quite work out, it wasn't until 2020, during the pandemic, that I rediscovered my love for wood carving. Bored and out of work, I stumbled upon Carving Fusion by Jordy Johnson. Let me just get that sticker out there. As so many of us did. And his enthusiasm was infectious. I picked up a rotary tool, flex shaft, and cut-saw flame burr and started experimenting. Later, I discovered Just Carve Rob's channel and his knife work, and it brought back memories of whittling sticks as a kid. With a newfound sense of purpose, I invested in a flex-cut rough-out knife and started working with basswood. That's when my passion for wood carving really took off. But my journey just isn't about the craft. It's also about healing. In 2022, my father was diagnosed with rapid dementia and Alzheimer's, which was devastating. As someone who served in Iraq and as I've experienced the trauma of war and struggled with PTSD and the challenges that come with it, wood carving has become my solace, a way to cope with the stress and anxiety that can overwhelm me. Creating something that brings joy to others has become my driving force. Knowing that a simple piece of wood can bring a smile to someone's face is what makes me happy. Life can be tough, but in these moments, I find purpose. And that's what keeps me carving. And may I say, Perry, I got tears in my eyes, man, because it gives myself and my brother purpose, as well as so many other people in this world. Art does, and I'm just very, very honored to be your friend, man, and thank you for sharing that with us. So, what's in the box? Let me just compose myself. Perry, this piece is called This Little Light of Mine, and this is going to live with you now. I don't ever want the horrors of war and the darkness that you've witnessed. I don't want that to take away from your very beautiful light that lives inside of you. You're a very special person, and that's why I chose this piece for you. This was done by my brother, and this was very special to me, the gem and the chain and stuff, and it's all signed and everything from Two Brothers, One Vision. You may have seen the video, the maker's video for that, but it's a special piece, and that's why it's coming to be with you, Perry. And I just want you to continue being a lighthouse, keep creating, keep shining, sharing that purpose with the world, because this world really, really needs it. And just thanks for being such a great friend. Okay, guys, well, thanks for listening to my ramble. I wanted to do it so they could open the boxes and stuff and see it and understand each piece. So please, thank you so much for hanging in through that. And if I just have a message, is to use your art, if you're a creator, to help convey what you feel inside, and don't ever hold it back. If you get the feeling and the urge and the thought to do something for somebody out there, you do that. And with that, there is no YouTube without you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get these all packaged up now and send off to Perry and his awesome family. Much love, everybody.
Now I'm going to put all of Perry's links downstairs in the video description, as well as the Kindred Spirits Woodcarvers group Facebook link. We are Tribe Worldwide. Tribe Strong.
He's Perry the carving wizard. His magic shines through wood. He loves his family with all his purest heart, like every good man should. He's the carver